Hey fermenters, just wanted to show you guys our latest newsletter and also try out this technology on my mobile phone. So here we are, it's our favorite December ferments, and just a little reminder that we've got some holiday recipes that are fermentized, as we like to call them. We also have limited amounts of our apple ginger sauerkraut available to be shipped to US folks. And let's see, so some cool new research that kind of confirms some of the linkages between mental health and the state of your gut microbiome. Specifically, they're finding specific microbes can confer health benefits related to things like depression, schizophrenia, anxiety, etc. And that class of microbes is called psychobiotics. It's a subset of probiotics. And I like to always use the Pac-Man metaphor when I give my presentations. You can kind of see what the various biotics terms you might have heard are. And scrolling down, I like to post a frequently asked question from one of our members, and Annie asks, how much fermented food should I eat? And the answer is really, you don't need a whole lot to get the benefits. So eating a fist-sized portion at every meal, or maybe every other meal, will deliver enough probiotic bacteria as well as all the other benefits, digestive enzymes, enhanced vitamins, anti-inflammatory properties, etc. So a little goes a long way. So some of our favorite December recipes are, of course, our sauerkraut. Cabbage is coming into season, so it's always nice to do fun things with it. I like to do an apple ginger kraut. It's kind of our classic recipe now. And just slice some tart apples and fresh ginger root in there. And one of our really cool recipes is making eggnog using kefir instead of just regular milk. And what that does is it delivers, again, a little bit of probiotic punch, but also it kind of creates this foamy texture it's really nice. I haven't developed a vegan version of the eggnog yet, but I did make some kefir vegan ice cream this year. So it's pretty much the same base, so I might be working on that, so stay tuned. Also a variation of our kimchi using pumpkin. Right now my pumpkins I'm still harvesting them, but while using them fresh, you can slice them up and throw some into some kimchi. And finally our cranberry relish, which is a lightly fermented cranberry, and I like to use pomegranates because they're available fresh here. In fact, I've got a tree in my yard that delivers them. Adding a little bit of kombucha or water kefir gives a little bit of that probiotic kick. And it's, again, a fast ferment, only about 2 or 3 days. And finally, we've got some really cool stuff in our swag shop, including a all-inclusive kombucha making kit, which has your SCOBY, it's got your tea and sugar for your first batch, and a unique lid that actually lets you dispense the kombucha while keeping the SCOBY still in the jar. So that way you can kind of do a continuous brew method there. And we also have gift certificates for our Fermenters Club Academy. So these are the courses we've got offering right now, and I'm always building new courses. But anyway, if you wanted to give a gift certificate to a friend, or even just use it yourself, that's what our Fermenters Club Academy courses are. And that's about it. So if you want to subscribe to our newsletter, I'll leave the link in the comments here. And happy fermenting.